Welcome to the Chinese Homestyle cooking channel. This is part 5 of a 5-part series. You can find the links to the other parts in the video's description below. In this video, we will show you how to cook the dumplings you wrapped in part 4 of the series. As a reminder, because making dumplings is a slightly complicated process, it is commonly made by the entire family as a bonding experience. We highly recommend making dumplings with your friends or family as a fun cooking activity. Once you have your dumplings wrapped and ready to go, bring a large pot slightly over half filled with water to a boil. If you have made too many dumplings, you can also freeze them. They will keep in the freezer for up to 3 weeks. If you choose to freeze them, keep the dumplings separated like this and put them in the freezer. Once they are frozen, a few hours time, then you can transfer them into a plastic bag. By freezing them like this, you will ensure that they don't stick to one another. Once the water is boiling, add in your dumplings one by one. They should be completely submerged in the water. If they are not fully submerged, add more boiling water to your pot. Be careful not to add them in all at once to prevent splashing and to prevent the dumplings from sticking together. If your pot is at least 10 inches in diameter, you should add no more than 30 dumplings at a time. If you add too many, then the dumplings won't have any room to move around and will get stuck together. Give a quick stir to prevent the dumplings from clumping together and put on a lid. Once the water is gently boiling again, maybe 1 to 2 minutes after you put on the lid, give a quick stir and add about a half a cup of room temperature or cold water to the pot, and put the lid back on. Please note that because we are cooking dumplings filled with chives and eggs, it won't take as long for the water to boil again. If you are cooking dumplings with meat, it might take a little longer to bring the water back to a gentle boil. Repeat this process 2 more times. Once the dumplings are brought to a gentle boil again, add another half cup of room temperature or cold water and bring back to a gentle boil. After you have brought the dumplings to a gentle boil for the 3rd time, they are completely cooked. You will also know they are completely cooked if they are floating. Use a strainer to scoop the dumplings out of the pot. We do not recommend pouring the dumplings into a colander as they may break. Repeat the process if you have more dumplings to cook. For chives and eggs dumplings, you can eat them plain or dip them in a little bit of vinegar. Serve hot and enjoy.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the Chinese Homestyle cooking channel. 谢谢。